Subscribe to my YouTube channel and click the bell icon for the latest film interviews, features, and recommendations on the movies that matter.
Gaurav Gera, so good to see you, Gaurav. I see you're in the south of France, what looks like the south of France.
Yeah, I'm sitting next to the pool having fun. ठंडी ठंडी
Yeah.
हवा चल रही है. How are you doing?
I'm not bad. I'm in hot, sweaty Mumbai. I have to say, you know what gives you away, right? You know what gives you away? It's that guy who
What?
isn't swimming in the pool.
He's in a frozen pool.
He's kind of got that stroke, mid-stroke, he's stuck. But Gaurav, this
I think
is
he's
fun.
in lockdown.
He's in lockdown, that's right. He's taking lockdown literally. Gaurav, I've been a huge fan. You know, you're this incredible creator. You've been, for years now. You've been making comedy for our phones. You know, for social media, for Snapchat and Instagram, and of course, Shopkeeper and Chutki are really the have become sort of legendary in a sense. That sketch of yours completed 5 years last month, didn't it?
It did, yes. I started in April 2015, and yes, we completed 5 years. Super fun.
शॉपकीपर आई मिनी फोन में क्यों घुसे हुए हो हॉर्नी है हॉर्नी को कौन टाल सकता है नीटू फोन छोड़ो मैं हूं ना आई तो बता दो हमारी गाड़ी में हॉर्न नहीं है कहां से मिलेगा गलीच
Do you have memories of how that began? Was that one of the early sketches you started?
Rajiv, actually, I started 5 years before that, and then the response wasn't great. Not too many people were watching them because we didn't have too many internet connections and people didn't have smartphones.
Right.
So, and then I got busy with a musical play and left me no time. But for creating, you need time. You need to be, not thinking about things and stuff. So I restarted in 2015, and so I made Chutki Suyash, boyfriend girlfriend stories, and then she went finally to the Shopkeeper, and it became big. Yeah, Shopkeeper suddenly became very big.
Very big. So big in fact that you had big movie stars kind of making this one stop on their promotional campaign. I mean, it became a thing. I remember Akshay Kumar. I'm now forgetting names, but there were a bunch of them, weren't there?
Yeah, unbelievable. It was really unbelievable for me because I wanted the videos to go big, but never thought it'll go to that level because what is bigger than Bollywood?
Right.
So it was all over. It was wonderful, and people were loving it. So it was beautiful. Not expected, but wonderful experience.
At what point, Gaurav, did you learn that this could be more than just sort of fun? I mean, that this could be there could be a revenue model to this. That this could be a business in a sense.
Rajiv, I was watching a lot of videos from the US or Australia, like kids making wonderful stuff on YouTube in 2010.
Yeah.
So I knew that it is going to head somewhere. So the revenues are going to generate, but I think Instagram wasn't that time a platform in 2010. It wasn't really that big, but YouTube was there. So YouTube and then Facebook got into monetization, and Snapchat is like, no, I don't think it's monetized yet. But it was something told me that it's gonna get bigger. I don't know. I didn't know how big, but it is huge right now. It is like really big.
Yeah. And you're kind of now. It also feels like your content and your material has really evolved. I mean, Chutki and the Shopkeeper, of course, were wigs and voices. And now you're of course using Snapchat lenses. You're virtually you're doing so much. I mean, look at how we're having this chat. You in the south of France. Can you talk about that? I mean, how did you sort of adapt and evolve? And what is I'm thinking of this almost like a masterclass for wannabe creators. I'm not asking you to give away your trade secrets, but what is required of a creator who gets in early in the game as you did, and kind of staying on keeping your eye on the ball and kind of evolving with as technology evolves.
Rajiv, my basic funda to create videos was to make content on the go. But Chutki Shopkeeper was binding me with the wigs and stuff because I still needed wigs. Like I have made videos in a flight, airplane flight. I've worn a Chutki wig and recorded quietly, and then shopkeeper wig. I made both the videos in a flight or walking on the street. So it was freedom. But then I needed freedom even from a wig. I didn't want a wig. I wanted to play characters because that's what I think I specialize in. And I wanted to be able to play characters, look different. And Snapchat came in wonderfully because suddenly now I have a family of 30 characters and they all look different from each other. Definitely, you have to act. It's not just the lens.
Yeah.
But like I have cat on my head now. See, all the time.
Correct.
So Billy Masi is big. She rules my head right now. And
Right.
Billy Masi, and then there's Adu. So the freedom to from makeup or so I can make content on the go. I can walk on the streets. Nobody will know what I'm shooting, and I can
Right.
quietly do my job and get out. So Snapchat comes in beautifully to help me with that. And thankfully,
Yeah.
they've given me 11 exclusive lenses.
Wow.
You know, these lenses only I have on Snapchat. So I'm so
Right.
glad I have them. Otherwise, my stuff wouldn't take
Sure.
off.
But
Yeah.
you know, Gaurav, at the foundation of all of this is really the comedy, isn't it? The foundation is the writing, is what you're creating. And how do you kind of keep going? I mean, what are you looking for inspiration? You know, I find that the reason your comedy is so much fun is because your characters are real. I mean, you know, these are people that you almost kind of, I mean, they're exaggerated versions of people that we see and we know.
Yeah. And that's what I try to do. You know, I don't really focus on comedy as such. I think I'm a storyteller, so I tell stories. Now I have moved on to Billy Masi and Adu stories and Dadi. They have various characters and they have family things going around. You know what happens is I'm actually very homebound. I'm a very homebound person. I'm not too social. So it suits my personalities to create stories around home. So I think of things and then what will a saas say to a daughter, bahu, or what will the mother say to the child, and I create stories around that. A lot of stories are from my childhood. Like जब मैं एक खाट पता नहीं पलंग होता है उसके नीचे जाके सो गया था. The whole family was looking for me. कहाँ गया? And you know, so I create stories based on that. Or once I was locked in the toilet, बंद हो गया था अंदर. So window तोड़ के मुझे बाहर निकाला था because I refused to open the door. So I have actually made a story out of it. आड़ू bathroom में फंस गया. So I take from life. I imagine a few things like Billy Masi's voice is actually Mona Singh's mom's voice and my one mommy's voice mixed together.
Okay.
She talks like that. So मैं जाती हूँ मेरे कोई ना कोई पीछे पड़ जाता है. So this is how they talk. So I take from people and like even shopkeeper, you know. Rajiv was very surprised. A friend of mine told me that shopkeeper's voice you have stolen from a shopkeeper who's actually there in Oshivara. So I thought maybe his side. So I went to actually check. I went to the Dukandar and I heard him talk. I asked him, watermelon hai? हाँ वहाँ पे पीछे. He talks like that. He's so not interested in the customers that he does his thing. He's writing his note. Píche. हाँ वाले ले. I recorded him and I was like, oh my God, maybe I saw him some years ago and stayed in my head. So shopkeeper became like that.
It's hard to have a serious conversation with someone who has a cat on their head.
Oh, I didn't notice.
No, but it's great fun. It's very cute.
See.
Oh man, this is giving me FOMO. I wish I was sort of snorkeling. This is so cool.
Join me. The snap camera.
I should learn how to use the snap camera. That's right. You know, Gaurav, I want to ask you. You of course flirted with Bollywood and you worked in television. Do you find that creating videos for social media for the internet gives you more freedom? Is it more liberating than any scripted work that you've done?
It is for me. You know, by now I've realized, Rajiv, to make a film like Burfi, everybody got to be interested in you. You know, from the director to the writer to the makeup artist to the spot boy, everybody should love you as Ranbir Kapoor. So I don't have people who love me that much. I don't have a producer who loves me or a director who loves me. I love me. So I am the best editor for me. I give myself best lines. I take my best angles and I portray it like that. And I take the best shots. I remove the editing mein jo bhi NG take hota, I remove that. So I'm the only person who loves me that much to have interest in me to create. So I think the level of, like, if you watch actually the stories of Billy Masi and Adu, they have got heart in it, you know. you cry with the story, you smile with the stories, because that's how you create something that you really want to make. So
Right.
I think I have found my place, and I'm the only person interested in me that much. So that's what I do.
राजेश्वरी बरेली की बर्फी बहुत अच्छी है।
हमारा केरला में ना नारियल के बर्फी इससे बेटर मिलते हैं।
मेरे पिक्चर का नाम है भाई।
हाँ
अच्छा, पूरी फैमिली के साथ देख के आना, ठीक है?
मेरे को आपसे बात करनी है।
हाँ जी, बताओ क्या बात करनी है आपको?
मेरे को अकेले में बात करनी है, उधर चलो।
ये बड़ी अकेले में बातें करनी, क्या बात है बता।
मैं पैदा कैसे हुआ?
राजेश्वरी, वो किचन में देखना दूध रखा था, उबल गया होगा।
Gaurav, given this lockdown scenario, I mean, you're saying that you're anyway a homebody. You're not particularly social. You spend a lot of time at home. But has lockdown allowed you to be more creative, more productive? Are you ending up putting out more videos because you've got everyone captive in a sense? You've got your audience captive.
Yeah. See, I really thought that will happen. I thought, but my production has just gone up 20%, not too much. I thought मैं बहुत बढ़ा दूंगा videos. Because also what comes with lockdown is no maid, no house help. You have to cook.
Correct.
You have to दिन में 3 बार बर्तन करने पड़ते हैं. Then you have to do सफाई and everything. And then I've got a lot of plants in my house, so I have to spend time with them. I have to take care of them. So इतना time नहीं होता. So it's almost the same for me in the lockdown. Just that I can't see my friends and I can't go for a walk. So,
Right.
Yeah.
Finally, do you have one character that you love more than the others? I mean, as a creator, is that an unfair question to ask? Is there, out of all the creation?
I just want to distract you.
Oh, of course.
Okay, now you talk to Kira.
Kira.
Gaurav Kira.
That's a nice one. But do you have do you have one character that you love more than the others? Is there one that's particularly close to your heart?
I like Adu a lot. He's a little kid. He also gets a lot of love. Adu is really popular with it. But I like Dadi also, this old lady that I play who speaks Multani language. So I like a lot of them, but I think Adu got to be my favorite. I also like Shopkeeper.
Yeah.
Shopkeeper is, I like Shopkeeper.
Right. Well, I love Shopkeeper and Chutki. They're a combination that one never gets tired of. It's also one of those things. The great thing about this medium is that when you're missing it, even if you're not creating new stuff, one can always go back and watch some of the stuff that one loved and kind of revisit the characters that one loved. So I often find myself doing that. Yeah, and you can repost. Yeah.
Just like Mahabharat restarted, so I thought, why shouldn't I repost my videos?
Correct.
So I reposted mine.
And 5 years is the anniversary is a great reason to kind of bring them all back, right?
Yeah. So that gives you an idea. I'm going to post all compilations, the long ones. So
nice.
I clubbed 15 plus 15 plus 15 seconds. So they're all compilations. So I could repost them. That'll be fun.
Well, I can't wait to see what you're doing. What you're going to do next. I follow you on Snapchat. I follow you everywhere that you are. I really enjoy. I enjoy your stuff, and I can't wait to see what you're going to do, because I really think that the basis for all of it is very sharp comic timing. I feel like all these characters will come if it's rooted in really funny kind of creations in funny writing. And you say you don't literally write, but obviously it's something that you create from the head. So thank you, Gaurav. Thank you for bringing so much joy into our lives through these incredible characters.
You are wonderful. I was watching your interview with Fatima and Sana yesterday,
Thank you.
It was so much fun. It's so light, and I could just sit through and watch all of it.
They were
the
lovely.
movie
They had such a
recommendations that you
chemistry.
gave.
Thank you, Gaurav.
Yeah.
So much fun. Thank you. I'm looking forward to seeing what more comes from the Gaurav factory, so to speak, because I feel like you're creating so much content and it's so much fun that I can't wait to see what you do next. But thank you for this.
Thank
I
you.
enjoyed. And now we're in the galaxy. Now we're in the universe. This reminds me of what it was. Oh
Chalo
my
ghumne
God!
chalte.
Listen, this is this is nice. It kind of doesn't make you feel like you're stuck indoors, no?
Yeah. See? No lockdown.
No lockdown. Lovely. Thank you so much, Gaurav. Can't wait to see what you do next, and we'll be in touch. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Thank you, and let's meet soon.
Thank you. Will do.